Hi, I'm LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Hello. My name is LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a very simple lifestyle vlog where I get here every morning and I try to uplift, encourage, and inspire as many people as I possibly can. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am the divorced mother of 3 adult children. I have 2 boys and a girl. I am a United States Navy veteran. I'm also a surgical tech. I am disabled and I work full-time here now from my home. I am a hustler. That's right, I'm a hustler. I get up every day and I work. I do something for my YouTube channel every single day. And I love what I do. I love to help people, uplift people, encourage people, and talk about the love of the Lord. That's right. So this is my new intro. So here I am. And if you like what you see, click like, share, comment, and come back here on a daily basis. So here's today's video. Hello YouTube. This is LaShawn. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to just put out some content today and let you know that I'm feeling well, I'm doing well, I'm home, I am thriving, and things are going to get better with time. So if you're going through a rough time right now, just hold on a little bit longer. Things will always get better. I didn't think it would be. I thought I'd stay in the hospital for a long period of time, but I'm out of there. I escaped, I made it, and I am back to the house, and I am going to thrive and get better. I'm going to do everything that I need to do to recover properly. I'm going to do everything that the doctor said so that I won't have any more type of mix-ups. But when you got an old body like this, every now and then it need a tune-up. So I call my little hospital stays tune-ups when I need to get what I need in order to keep going. So whatever you need to do to keep it moving, do it. Keep working hard on your YouTube channel. Keep answering those comments. The secrets are the comments. Answer every single comment that you have. Let your subscribers know that you care, and that is a great deal. The whole time that I was in the hospital, the comments, the emails, or whatever you want to call them, those are the things that help to keep me going, to help to keep a positive attitude. And that is the secret, the positive attitude. No matter what you're going through, it seems like it's just so much right now, but you have to just hold on to the good vibes. And that's part of when we always say, look for the goodness in everything. I think that's a perfect saying. I think that's universal. I think that is the law of the land. Look for the goodness in everything, because everything is falling apart. Just think about it. Right now, everything could be falling apart around you, and you have nothing positive to think about. You have nothing positive to focus on, and you like, oh, just the heck with it all. I'm just tired of the negativity. I'm tired of failing. I'm tired of this. I'm tired of my YouTube channel not growing, but it will grow. It comes in small steps. And somebody sent me a text message that said, not a text message, a comment, not a text message, a comment. Let's fix that. And it said that he had been on YouTube for a great number of years and his subscribers count has not changed. And then I asked him about his comments, and he was talking about the comments. He always liked the comments. And I asked him, well, do you answer the comments? And he said, well, sometimes I do. I said, well, change that. Let's change up our behavior, because if it's not working, try something that will work better. And answer every single comment that you get. Put out a new video. I don't know. Do a racing car. I don't know. Take out the trash. But do a video and leave the comments open, and then answer the comments one by one. Each person that leaves you a comment is leaving you a comment because that video they just watched, or that video that they wanted to see answered their questions, or the video was appealing to them, or they didn't like the video. There are some like that, and it's up to you to answer those. But remember, good and bad, all comments are good because it's showing YouTube that people are interested in that video. So remember the goodness in all things. So if you do a video and you put out the video and then you open it up for comments, then those comments are the goodness of the video. So make sure you take the time and answer those, because you have to look for the positive, the good in everything. And that's really it. I just wanted to hit on that today, because we really need to take our time and appreciate everything that's around us. And part of appreciating things, like when you go outside and you appreciate nature, the trees, the birds, and all those wonderful things, the squirrels, and little things walking and crawling around. Okay? But you like those things. Those are little things that you pick out, that you focus on, and that you think, oh, this is really nice. This is beautiful. You picked out the beautiful things. And that's what I want you to do with your YouTube channel. That's what I want you to do with your life. I want you to expand and do better each day than you did the day before, because we're all trying. Nobody's perfect. Nobody is perfect. All of us are just trying to hang in there. All of us, we just trying to make it. We just trying to do what we can. And YouTube is a big platform, and nothing turns over overnight. Everything is a process. It's going to take a lot of work. And part of that work is you. What are you willing to do to grow your YouTube channel? Let's answer our comments. Let's focus on that, because I get a lot of questions about that. Let's focus on our comments. I really believe that that's a big part of the success of your YouTube channel. So let's just focus on that for today. But I did this video to let you know that, yes, I am out of the hospital. I am doing better, feeling better, being better. And what I'm going to do is do better each day. Each day I'm going to grow. Each day I'm going to learn something new, and I'm going to get better than I was the day before. And you can too. So that's the attitude you have to have. You have to say, okay, so this didn't work out. So next, what am I going to do? This didn't work out, so this is what I'm going to do this time so that I'm successful. That's it. That's all you do. You look for solutions. You look for different ways of solving whatever your problem is, or whatever is giving you difficulty. That's the only way to progress. That's the only way to move forward. That's the only way for you to grow, is to do better and be better than you were on the day before. And I think you can do that. So that's it. That's all I got for you. Just a reminder today to put your foot forward and do everything you can to grow your YouTube channel. I'm growing, and you can too. So at this point, we're going to breathe in and breathe out and get our day started. You don't have to, but it makes me feel better. Breathe in, breathe out. Ooh. All right. So no matter where you headed today, to work, to school, or maybe you got to go to the gym today, be happy, be joyful, and treat people with respect and dignity. It's the only way to live. So have a good day, have a blessed day, and remember, God loves you, and so do I. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon.